In this video, I will show you how to make a role in Discord. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on Discord. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is click onto the server. So you want to actually go into the server that you want to create a role for. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've just created a test server. So once you're in the server itself, you want to come up to the top left-hand corner and click onto the server name. What it's going to do is bring up a drop-down menu, and you just want to come down and click onto server settings. From here, what you need to do is come to this menu on the left hand side, and you can see the option for roles just here. Go ahead, give that a click. Then all you need to do is come across to the far right and press the blue create role button. So what you can now do is go ahead and give your role a name. So I'm just going to call this one test. And you can choose the colour for the role as well, which means anyone that has this role, their name will be displayed in that colour. So let's go for blue, for example. You can see a preview down here at the bottom of what that's going to look like. So also just a note, when you do make any changes, make sure to click the green Save Changes button at the bottom to apply the changes. And what you can also do from here, if you come up to the top, you can see you've got permissions. If you click onto this, you can choose what permissions that particular role has. So for example, if you was creating a role for like an admin role, you might want to give them the option to kick members or ban members. So you want to go ahead and turn these switches on. Again, after making any changes, make sure to click the Save Changes button at the bottom. Now, what you can also do is come up to the Manage Members tab just up here, and what you can do is add members to this role just by clicking this link here. You can choose what members you want to add to the role. Now you can also do this from the server itself. Once you've actually created the role, you just want to locate the member that you want to add the role to from the members list on the right hand side. Go ahead and click onto their name, and you're going to see underneath the roles section you've got a little plus button. So just go ahead, click onto this. As you can see, we've got the test role here, so I can click that to add this role to this person, and they've now got that role. So that is how to make a role in Discord. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.